Hello guys!
Hey!
Okay, you're not in sync.
Hi!
Hello everyone! Tonight we're gonna be baking one of my favorite baking food.
He's craving for one of my recipes, oatmeal cookies. So I'm going to make it for him today with obviously a little help from this guy.
Let's get started! Hello guys, this is the ingredients. Sugar, butter, flour, oatmeal, and pork. Oops!
So we have 225 grams of butter softened, granulated sugar 220 grams, 220 grams of brown sugar, 250 grams of flour, plain flour, 250 grams of oatmeal, vanilla extract, 2 eggs, baking powder, and then salt for the extra taste.
And then the bay for the extra hotness.
So we need to preheat the oven to 190. Sorry, our oven's pretty old.
Guys, this oven was made in 1800s by the late King Henry.
You know what? If you want the recipe, just click on the description link down below and it should be listed there, and the steps. So we're just gonna get cooking.
Yeah, because you're not gonna get a decent introduction here. So kalokohan. So. First, sorry guys, I don't know where else. Oh!
I told you it's hot!
So we're gonna be rolling some oatmeal cookies now. Here we go. Ooh, look at that.
Oh my god, baby, it's ready!
That looks really yummy.
Roll them a bit.
Yummers.
Who made this? It's too big.
Oh, you made that.
Oh yeah, your size is actually quite perfect.
Yeah, see? You're perfect. Ah, you're perfect. Perfect. Oh! Shokugeki. I can't resist it.
Hi guys, so that's it for today. We just finished baking our oatmeal cookies like you saw kanina. I hope you guys like our video today. Give it a thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and then subscribe, follow our Instagram and our Facebook at Ray and Carmela, and we'll see you again next week. Bye!
Thank you. Bye!